Hello and welcome to the Oriental Institute of Science and Technology workshop. Today we are going to discuss about the lathe machine, which is the laboratory part of manufacturing technology. So this is lathe machine in front of you. This is its tailstock, tool post. This is the levers, hand wheel. This is power supply unit, from which the power is supplied. Here belt and pulley arrangement is there. This is a three-jaw universal chuck in which the workpiece is holded. This is the diagram for center lathe, which there are different parts which you can see. This is the tailstock by which different operations are performed, like drilling. This is the tool post in which the tool is mounted, cutting tool. This is three-jaw universal chuck. This is lead screw, and this is the hand wheel by which the carriage is moved, and the tool